Hey guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. In this video, I will show you how to create an OPC UA client under Python, and I will create two versions for the read OPC UA. So the first one will be by using the numeric NodeIds to connect to our server, and the second one by using our qualified name, our URL, to connect to our server. So I will show you two different ways of programming an OPC UA client for the read session. Okay, so let's start. So here guys, we will start to create our client OPC UA to read from the server. So of course, first thing is to import the library. We import our clients and also time for the loop. Now we will set our endpoint, so to connect it to our server, so the URL. And here of course what I will do, I will just come here and I will copy paste this. Okay, that's good. Now I will set my client, sorry, to the URL. Okay, now you can see that it's easy to create a client. All the work is from the server. So now we will connect it. And we will just make a simple syntax like connected to OPC UA as this. So now what we need is to get our NS, our namespace index and numeric identifier. And for this you have two ways. So you either connect your server to UA Expert, or what you need to do is to create display nodes. If you want to know how I did it, you can watch the last video. So here we just launch my server, and from here you could see that I can display my nodes. So for each one of my variable, object or properties, I have my node ID. So for the level, for example, let's ns2 i2. So I will use this to connect each node. So to get, sorry, each node from my server. So it will be donk. Of course, the command is get node. And for the donk, because it's the first one, it will be I equal 1. So I will do the same for the others. It will be 2. Then we have our valve, and here it will be 3. They are in the same hierarchy, so it will be easy to set it. So it will be the state, and here the unit, I equal 6. As you can see, it's simple. So we will just simulate our loop, like to read continuously from our server. And we will print what we will print donk level, of course, we need to know it. So we'll get it from our level, and for this the command will be get value. I will also get the flow rate, and here we'll change it by flow rate. Okay, and also the state. Here we have our loop, and of course time each 2 seconds. So why 2 seconds? It's for not like flood our server with request. And finally we'll disconnect from our client. Okay, so our server is still working. We did assign our nodes, so sorry, as you can see my client is working. So guys, here we are in the second step. So we will create our second version, and we will use the qualified name here. So we will use the URL, this kind of syntax to create our second version. And what we will do is tell our client to get our child. Okay, and we know that tank is inside object, is a child of object, sorry. And also level is, I think, the child of tank. Okay, then we have our valve. It's also child of tank. After that we have our flow rate, that is a child of valve. And the state is the child of flow rate. And the same goes for the unit. Okay, so to summarize, our tank is inside object, and the level of valve is the children of tank, and flow rate is the child of valve, and state and unit are the children of flow rate. So this is our hierarchy that we customize in the first video. Okay, now the server is still working. I will launch my client and I hope it will work. So as you can see, everything is fine. I hope that it will help you in your project. So don't forget to follow me, like and comment, and assalamu alaikum. See you next time.